In this video I will show you how to properly install the throttle on your APEFOX RH20 e-bike. Also I will show you how to unlock the speed limiter as well on this bike. So by default, when you purchase this bike, it actually does not come with throttle installed for legal reasons. However, if you do want to install it, it's very easy. And yeah, inside the box we do get the throttle, also this short grip and also this adapter. Also, if you are looking to get this e-bike, in the description I'll include a special discount link that you can use and get it for the cheapest price possible. Also, I managed to get €100 extra coupon from APEFOX that you can use on their website and take extra €100 off. So first, simply make sure to follow those special links that will lead you directly to the APEFOX official website, and in the checkout enter the coupon UVRH20 for extra €100 off. Also, if you follow those links, this bike also will arrive with a bunch of free accessories as well. And first we want to undo the brake, so simply undo the bolt, and also on the bottom of the shifter we have a screw that you want to unscrew so it's loose, and then move both out of the way. And next we need to remove this handlebar grip, but if you will try, you will realize it's incredibly stiff, so it should pull straight away off. But you see, if I try to pull, it obviously doesn't want to come off. So what you can do, you can take a bit of soapy water and simply spray underneath the grip, so you can actually pull it off. So I'll simply take my bike, lean it like that, so it can flow inside, and let me spray underneath. Maybe you can ask another person to help you. As it pours out here, so you want to spray underneath here and let it kinda maybe sit for like 10 seconds till it soaks in. Or if you still have problems removing it, you can also take a small wooden block and let me bang it off as well. So I'll place my block over here so it obviously won't scratch anything, and take my hammer, I can work it off. I see it's coming off now. And yeah, I see it finally came off. And next, take your throttle. I see on the throttle we also have this one tiny bolt that is used to simply fasten it to the handlebar. So adjust it like this and simply slide it on. Also you have this spacer, slide on here, and then we need to take this included short handlebar grip and let push it on all the way. And next, on the throttle, simply fasten that tiny bolt that I showed you. Make sure it's fairly tight. And also screw back the brake lever and also shifter. And then we need to connect the throttle to our bike. I see you have this one spare cable here, so you remove the tip from it. I see you have a tiny arrow here, and also you have arrow here on this one, so you simply push them together like this, and now we have the throttle installed. And once you connect the throttle, it should be ready to go. Also, for the throttle to work, you have to be at least in pedal assistant level 1. With 0 it won't work, so simply make sure it's in the pedal assistant level 1 and then it will work. So it's a simple twist and go throttle. So let me lift my bike up a bit. Okay, so I see if I twist it, the wheel starts to spin. And if I release it, it stops spinning. So as you engage it, it's going to spin up. Also, for legal reasons, even if you actually install the throttle, it's still perfectly legal in most European countries, as long as the speed is limited to 6 km/h for the throttle. So you see, if you engage it, by default it will only go at around 6 km/h. So again, that is by legal reasons. If you want to go at normal speeds with your throttle, you have to actually unlock your bike. And to unlock the bike, simply press and hold the plus and minus at the same time. And you see you are in the settings now. Press this one to navigate to the setting P08. By default, I see you have value 25. So if you want to unlock it, use the plus and increase it to anything above 25, and that will unlock the bike. If you want to fully unlock the bike on the maximum speed, I see you can increase it up to 55 kilometers per hour. Once you're satisfied, simply leave it, wait to return to the main. Okay, and now we have speed unlocked. And let me lift up the bike again. And I see it goes much faster now, but still I see it's limited only to 12 kilometers per hour. So the maximum speed for the throttle also will depend on your pedal assistant level. So again, in the level 1, up to 12 kilometers per hour. In the level 2, up to 15. In the level 3, up to 26. In the 4, 37. And in the 5th, I see 53 kilometers per hour. So yeah, if you have in the level 5, I'll lift my bike up. Yeah, I see how fast it goes. So yeah, 53 kilometers per hour. Also, when you get this bike, by default the front motor actually is not enabled, only the rear one is working. So if you take a look at your panel over here, I see you have the blinking icon. That means the front motor actually is not engaged. If you also want to engage the front motor, so both will work and you will get the whole power, then you hold the power plus minus, so these two, for a couple seconds, and then as you see also the front motor gets engaged, so you'll be able to use the full power of this bike. Again, if you want to only leave the rear one, again do the same, so power plus minus, and as you see it starts to blink. That means again only the rear is now working. And yeah, overall this new APEFOX RH20 is very impressive indeed. Not only the power is absolutely insane, so we're getting two 750 watt motors. If you obviously also do not mess around with a speed unlock, it's also obviously legal bike as well. We have very nice integrated lights, full suspension, so yeah, it's a very comfortable bike. Also very good kit as well on the bike in my opinion. And battery range is absolutely insane, literally the best you can get in this price range. So yeah, if you are also looking to get one, simply make sure to follow those special discount links. They will lead you directly to the APEFOX website, and in the checkout enter the coupon UV RH20. That will take additional 100 euros off your purchase price. Also they have free shipping in the whole Europe. So yeah, and also if you follow those links, this bike will also arrive with a bunch of free accessories as well. So for this price, I do not think you can actually get a better bike than this one. Okay, good luck.